Welcome to our Tech Info series, in which we tell you the latest happenings in the tech world. LG has been working to get back in the smartphone business as the company is preparing to launch the LG Velvet. But अब rumors हैं कि कंपनी एक न्यू यूनिक स्मार्टफोन पे वर्क कर रही है with a rotating horizontal display. The reports come from a South Korean publication, Korea Herald. It states that the Korean-based electronics giant will be launching a smartphone with a unique horizontal rotating display. रिपोर्ट्स के हिसाब से इस अनयूजुअली यूनिक डिज़ाइन के स्मार्टफोन में डुअल स्क्रीन होगी विद अ हॉरिजॉन्टली रोटेटिंग अपर डिस्प्ले. द कंपनी इज टेकिंग अ डिफरेंट अप्रोच टू स्मार्टफोन डिज़ाइन amidst the foldable and rollable designs on which various other manufacturers are working. Reports के हिसाब से this rotating display is added to the smartphone to enhance the experience of media consumption and gaming. Users इस डिवाइस को horizontally rotate कर सकते हैं to watch videos and play games while still holding the device vertically. LG इस डिवाइस को इस साल ही लॉन्च करेगी, given they can finalize it and start manufacturing amidst the ongoing pandemic. इसका प्राइस गैलेक्सी फोल्ड की तरह बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं होगा. ये डिवाइस 61,000 रुपीज़ के अराउंड अवेलेबल होगी, unlike the Galaxy Fold sold at around 1,60,000 rupees in India. The incredibly popular Chinese chat app WeChat is being put under microscope by the Citizen Lab. In a study, researchers को पता चला कि WeChat सिर्फ चाइनीज यूजर्स की चैट पे नज़र नहीं रखता है, बल्कि फॉरेनर्स पे भी स्पाई कर रहा है with the goal of fueling its censorship algorithms. It's no secret कि चाइना में इंटरनेट बाकी कंट्रीज जैसा फ्री नहीं है. Censorship is common and WeChat जैसे चैटिंग जाइंट्स भी इस चीज़ से इम्यून नहीं है. The company has been known to monitor all of the chats of Chinese users as they come through. However, स्टडी से पता चला कि जो इमेजेस और डॉक्यूमेंट्स चाइना के बाहर के यूजर्स भी शेयर करते हैं, they too are scanned and flagged for potential politically sensitive content. जो डाटा ऐसे कंटेंट से मैच होता है, it is hashed and flagged when someone shares them with a Chinese account. The flagged content is fed to a machine learning system that is used to censor content in China. That means कि WeChat सिर्फ चाइनीज यूजर्स को स्पाई नहीं करती है, बल्कि बाकी यूजर्स पे भी नज़र रखती है. Now, it will be interesting to see how Google and Apple responds to these findings, as apps on these platforms are required to disclose what information they are collecting from users. After months of teasers and delayed launches, Xiaomi has finally launched its Mi 10 flagship phone in India. Mi ब्रांड की तरफ से ये पहला प्रीमियम स्मार्टफोन होगा to make its way to India in a very long time. Mi Mix 2 was the last one to land in India back in 2017. Mi 10 में आपको एक 6.67 इंच की फुल HD प्लस AMOLED डिस्प्ले मिलेगी with a 90 Hz refresh rate and 180 Hz touch response rate. The panel is of 2340 by 1080p resolution. और डिस्प्ले के पंच होल कटआउट में आपको एक 20 मेगापिक्सल सेल्फी स्नैपर मिलेगा with 120 fps स्लो-मो वीडियो रिकॉर्डिंग सपोर्ट. और इस डिवाइस में like any other flagship device launched in 2020, इन डिस्प्ले फिंगरप्रिंट रीडर होगा. Under the hood, Mi 10 is powered by the Snapdragon 865 chipset. You will also find up to 8 gigs of LPDDR5 RAM and 256 gigs of UFS 3.0 storage. And well, if you are planning to buy the Mi 10, then you won't deal with any ads or bloatware that comes with Xiaomi devices. Xiaomi Mi 10 को Tier 1 Android device में pitch कर रही है, which means कि the device will offer a more stock-like experience by switching out its own Mi branded systems apps and blot for Google Apps out of the box in India. डिवाइस में आपको 108 मेगापिक्सल का सैमसंग आइसोसेल ब्राइट XMX सेंसर मिलेगा एज द प्राइमरी कैमरा, with a 13 megapixel ultra wide angle camera, a 2 megapixel macro lens and a 2 megapixel depth sensor on board to round up the kitty. This device will be equipped with a 4780 mAh battery pack, which is pretty decent for a premium flagship. And the device will support 30 watts wired as well as 30 watts wireless charging support. There is also 10 watts reverse wireless charging on board as well. The device is priced at whopping 49,999, or you can simply say that it's priced at around 50,000 rupees for the 8 gigs plus 28 gigs base variant, while the 8 gigs plus 256 gigs variant is priced at 54,999 rupee in India. और हाँ, अगर आप Mi 10 को प्री ऑर्डर करते हैं तो आपको डिवाइस के साथ ही एक Mi वायरलेस पावर बैंक भी मिलेगा, which otherwise would have cost you at around 2,500 rupees. Back in March, Apple announced that it will be moving its annual developers conference WWDC 2020 to an online only format in light of the coronavirus pandemic. Now, we know that the launch will be held starting from June 22nd. जिन लोगों को नहीं पता है उनको बता दूं that WWDC is the place where Apple announces its new iterations for operating systems for its devices. Also shows us a bunch of upcoming features that it's been working on in this keynote event. Moreover, इस इवेंट में हम iOS 14 और watchOS 7 का लॉन्च भी एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं. Poco confirmed that it's holding a global launch event on May 12th earlier this week. हमें ऑब्वियसली ये पता है कि इस इवेंट में कंपनी अपनी F2 सीरीज लॉन्च करेगी. कंपनी ने पहले ये स्टेट किया था that the Poco F2 won't be a rebranded K30 Pro, but recent leaks have suggested that the Poco F2 Pro could indeed turn out to be the same device. लेकिन I still believe कि इंडिया में Poco F2 एक completely new device होगी. Specs की अगर बात करें तो Poco F2 will be powered by a Snapdragon 865 chipset और इसमें 6 gigs RAM and 128 gigs storage available होगी. It will sport a Super AMOLED display. The display is expected to be of 1080 by 2400 resolution. On the front आपको एक 20 मेगापिक्सल का सेल्फी स्नैपर मिलेगा, while on the back आपको 64 मेगापिक्सल का प्राइमरी कैमरा मिलेगा with 13 megapixel plus 8 plus 2 megapixel camera setup. The device will be backed by a 4100 mAh battery.